Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ifactioner.com's Muslim Girls' Names with Meanings video tutorial series. Let's start. Fadila, Fazila means generous and distinguished. Fadila means outstanding, learned, noble. Fadwa means sacrificing, name derived from self-sacrifice. Fadya means sacrificing. Fahima means intelligent, learned. Fahmida means intelligent, wise. Faida means benefit, advantage. Faika means unique, abundance, benevolent, mighty. Fayaz means artistic. Faiza means victorious, winner, successful. Faiza means successful. Fajr means early morning prayer, dawn. Fajaz means one who desires. Fakiha means cheerful, happy, humorous. Fakira means splendid, elegant. Fakhri means honorary. Fakhriya means honorary. Fakhrun Nisa means pride of women. Fakhta means a dove. Fakiha means fruit. Falasha means desire for result of the action. Falak means star. Falak means break of dawn. Falgu means beautiful. Faliha means successful. Fani means serpent. Fawz means success, victory, advantage, gain. Fakira means name of a beautiful woman. Farah means joyous, gladness, cheerfulness. Farahnaz means joy. Firdos means paradise. Farida means unique, precious pearl or gem. Faria means happy, joyful, cheerful, glad. Farah means happiness. Farhana means glad, joyful. Farhina means happiness. Faria means a caravan. Fariba means beautiful. Farida means unique, singular, precious. Fariha means happy, pleased, brisk. Farishte means angel. Farkhanda means fortunate, happy, lucky. Farkad means name of a star. Farah means Muslim burden bearer, lively. Farukh means happy, fortunate, auspicious, beautiful. Farwa means fur, covering, wealth. Farzana means wise, learned. Fasiha means eloquent. Fasila means some distance. Fatiha means conqueror. Fatiha means opening. Fatin means charming, captivating, entrancing. Fatina means intelligent, captivating. Fauzia means successful. Fauz means success, salvation. Fauzi means triumph. Fauzia means successful, victorious. Feaza means a lady who confers great favors, most generous and beautiful. Feroz means the gemstone, turquoise. Feza means successful. Fazila means sweet and caring, faithful. Fazila means superiority, attribute, value. Fazia means successful, victorious. Fazila means superiority, value, virtuous, honest, excellent. Feroza means a precious stone, turquoise. Fela means jasmine. Fida means silver. Fikriya means intellectual. Fikriya means having many ideas. Firdos means paradise, highest garden in the paradise, a garden, a bed of roses. Firoza means a precious stone, a bright greenish blue color, turquoise. Firyal means name. Fiza means nature. Fiza means silver pure. Fulan means flowering. Forum means fragrance. Fozia means successful. Fudel means learned, scholar. Fulki means spark. Fasila means some distance. Gamal means beauty. Gamila means beautiful. Gatbiya means charming. Ghazala means a deer. Ghada means young lady, beautiful. Ghalia means fragrant. Ghazia means woman warrior. Ghada means graceful woman, beautiful. Ghadir means stream. Ghaliba means predominant. Ghalia means fragrant, beloved, valuable. Ghanima means spoils, booty, loot. Ghania means pretty girl, beautiful woman. Ghara means noble lady. Ghaida means young and delicate. Ghazala means female gazelle, rising sun, deer. Ghazia means fighter, female warrior. Ghina means richness. Ghufran means forgiveness. Gunwa means song.